Hi everyone. We're here for our short video series as a part of Safal Together's GATE 2026 preparation. Today's video is about the important types of questions that comes from the construction management unit. Okay, so the construction management is actually a section uh, under your common part, and we're going to be looking at the common questions under this. So first we'll start off with the syllabus. Your syllabus includes project management techniques such as PERT, CPM, etc. There's estimation and specification, there's professional practice and ethics, there's form and structure, there's principles and design of disaster resistant structures, and temporary structures for rehabilitation. Okay, so under this, on an average, we have about 4 questions that come every year. 3 to 4 questions are a must. So the kind of theory questions, so GATE has two major typologies of questions. One is the theory part, one is the numerical part. In another video, we have talked about the different typologies of questions. I would suggest you go back to that and take a look at the kind of question and look at the pattern of questions that come in. Now coming to theory of construction management, we have definition of terms such as activity, nodes, events, activity on arrow, activity on uh, node, etc. So these are the kind of questions that's one type. Then there's critical path method. There's program evaluation and review technique, which is basically CPM and PERT. Okay, so there's theory questions with respect to both of this. There's theory questions with respect to Gantt chart. There's with respect to cost components of a construction project, the direct cost, indirect cost, etc. There's critical activities identification that you might be asked to do. Okay, so these are all the theory questions. And under estimation part of this particular unit, we also have units of different items of work that are usually asked. Okay, so these are the kind of theory questions that usually come under this chapter. Coming to the numerical section, we have, okay, so the first set that we see here comes under the project and construction management. So we have the project completion time, the calculation of your optimistic, most likely, and pessimistic time, the 3 different types of times, the critical time calculation, and your float and slack calculation. Okay, so float or slack calculation. This is with respect to both free floats and total floats, etc. When you come to the type of estimation questions, we have various estimations that are being asked. So you have the cut and fill method estimation that is asked, the concrete estimation for different grades. They'll ask you the amount of cement bags that are required, the water quantity, the coarse and fine aggregates that are required. Sometimes you'll ask the calculation of the earth volume for excavation or for mound preparation, etc. They ask you the estimation of paint, so you basically have to talk about the surface area estimations. Then the estimation of bricks for various bonds such as English bond, Flemish bond, rat traps, etc. The number of tiles that are required. So the basic questions that you might have seen already in the GATE papers. There you have like a floor area. They'll give you the tile size and ask you the number of tiles that are required. And then estimation related to DPC, estimations related to plastering, and estimations related to the quantity of stonework. Okay, so these are the kind of questions. Basically, different materials and how each of these materials are being estimated. And they're not going to ask you very random materials. They ask you the most common ones that we use in day-to-day construction. Okay, so these are the kind of numerical questions that come in. And we saw the theory questions too. Okay, so thank you. That's the end of our video today. If you really want to know more about the construction and project management chapter, or any of the other units that come under the GATE preparation, I would really recommend the Shuffle Together's 2026 preparation batch that's ongoing. Okay, so see you there, and all the best for your preparation. Thank you.